Hi guys, today we are going to see how to add a recommendation for an expert. I'm going to log into the backend. Once I log into the backend, I can choose an expert from this drop down list for whom I want to add a recommendation. Right? Let me just select an expert. I'll select an expert and I'll click on this button, add recommendation. Yeah. So you will see a list of recommendations that has already been added for the expert. To add more recommendations, I'll scroll down and I'll click on this option, add a new recommendation question. Now to add a recommendation, I'm going to first select a question type, that is the type of recommendation that I want to add. Suppose an expert has given a recommendation for a book. I'm going to choose book here. Now to select a question, we have given two questions for you. If you want to make your own question, then you can use custom option and you can create your. Okay, I'm going to select here what are your favorite books. Now to add book recommendation, this field has to be books, don't change it. Now you can search the name of the book that the expert has recommended. I'm going to type the name of the book and click on search. So it is going to show me a list of books in that name, right? I'm going to select this book. Now experts might give a review of the recommendations that they are providing. Okay, so if you find a recommendation for any if you find a review for any recommendation, then you copy it and paste it in the review field. Then if in the same source an expert is recommending two or three books, then you can add all the three books or two books in the same field. Okay, what you need to do is you need to click on add more and you can select another book here. You can select another book, copy and paste the review of that book, right? Summary is optional. Summary is when sometimes you will see that on sources an expert will begin with an answer and then recommend these books or whatever he's recommending. Okay, so if there is a summary available, if there is an answer given by the expert, then you copy and paste that summary over here. It is an optional. Now the source URL, it is the link or the URL where you found those recommendations given by the expert. So this is for validation that that expert has already has actually given these recommendations. So you have to copy and paste the source URL here. I'm just going to write this here right now. Okay, copy and paste the source URL, and then I'm going to click on submit. When I click on submit, the recommendations that I have added will be added to this list and will show on the app. So this is how you add a recommendation for an expert.